Hello friends, today I am going to solve a problem on single stage double acting air compressor. This problem also come on your exam. So here I am draw PV diagram of this problem. Now I am going to first read this question. Here given a single stage double acting air compressor is required to deliver 14 meter cube of air per minute measure at 1.013 bar and 15 Kelvin, in degree Celsius. The delivery pressure is 7 bar and the speed 300 rpm. Take the clearance volume of 5% of swept volume with the compressor and expansion index of 1.3. Calculate swept volume of the cylinder, the delivery temperature and indicated power. So first of all, what you have to given I am consider. So what you have to given, first one given is quantity of air to be delivered is 14 meter cube per minute. That means in 1 minute is deliver 14 meter cube of air during suction, and intake pressure and temperature are given. P1 is 1.013 bar and T1 is 15 plus 273, that means 288 Kelvin. Okay, and delivery pressure, so he's talking about delivery pressure. This one is delivery and this one is suction, and both is this one is expansion, this one is expansion polytropic process and this one is compression polytropic process. Okay, so delivery pressures, that means P2 and P3 is given because P2 and P3 is equal and P1 and P4 is equal. You can show here in the diagram. The P1 is already given, P2 is already given is 7 bar. Clearance volume, that means he's talking about that one is the clearance volume is given 5% of swept volume. Now again, and also polytropic index is N is given 1.3 and compression speed is given in 300 rpm. That means another thing also is given is volume induced per cycle is given, that means is talking about that one is given is V1 minus V4, you can write is given 14 meter cube per minute in 1 minute. So I can write V1 minus V4 equal to 14 divided by 300 into 2, because I am consider a single acting air compressor, because is given here is double acting, but I am consider is I am working on single acting. If you consider a single stage, then is supply this one in per meter cube. So you can write here, you can find that one. Also given swept volume, you know this one is a swept volume V3, that one and that one is a swept volume is given is V1 minus V3, you can write V1 V3 also you can write here, you can say is nothing but is a clearance volume. Okay, now you know this 4 to 3 is a polytropic expansion process. So you can write V4 equal to V3 equal, V4 by V3 is equal to P4 by P1. Yeah, you can write P3 by P4. P2 is also equal P3 and P1 is also equal P1, because you can show here the diagram, that one P1 equal to P4 you can write and P3 is equal to P2. Okay, so you can write this. So everything is given, P2 is given, P1 given, then you can write N is also given, so that is you can find 4.423 and V4 you can write 4.423 into V3. V3 is nothing but is clearance volume. Clearance volume already given you, 5% of swept volume. So I am here writing. So V4 equal to nothing but 0.221 Bs. Okay, V1 already given, V1 minus V4 is 0.023. V1 is nothing but, you can write here, I am here explain. V1 you can write Vs plus 0.05 Vs minus V4 is already you can given, you can here V4 is V1 minus V4 is nothing but here 0.021, here V4 is already given here, V4 is 0.021 Vs. So you can find from here Vs is 0.0281 meter cube. So first one is solved. Now I'm going to second point. So delivery temperature is nothing but is talking about T2 temperature. So T1 and T2 is a polytropic compression process. So you can write here T2 by T1 equal to P2 by P1 n minus 1 by n. P2 is given, P1 given, n given, T1 is given, then put the value in this equation and you can find temperature T2. So you can finally find everything putting in this equation 450 Kelvin. Okay, now I am going to solve third. The third you can find indicated power. So you know the formula of, we have already discussed in the previous lecture. You can find n by n minus 1 P1 V1 minus V4 into P2 by P1 power n minus 1 by n equal minus 1. So everything given, n given, P1 given, V1 minus V4 already given, P2, P1 is given. So you can put the value in this equation. So you can write 1.3, 1.3 minus 1, and pressure P1 is 1.013 unit 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. Okay, and V1 minus V4 is 14. Then divide, if you consider in kilowatt, then you can divide by 10 to the power 3 into 16. And P2 is 7, P1 1.013. Also put the value of n here. And then finally find out 57.56 kilowatt. That's, you can find every value. So thank you friends.